Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the environment, install the Chrome Redux Devtools extension, and add the Redux Devtools extension npm package to your project. Next, open your code where you create the Redux store. Replace or augment the current store enhancer with Compose with Devtools or Window. Redux Devtools extension if you prefer manual wiring. Once done, restart your dev server and keep the Browser DevTools panel open on the Extensions tab so you can watch the extension initialize. Now wire DevTools into your store creation. Import Compose with DevTools from Redux DevTools extension and apply middleware with it. This lets you supply options like name for identifying your app, trace true and trace limit to get stack traces on actions, and serialize for non-serializable state. If you don't want an extra dependency, use Window. Redux DevTools extension Compose as a fallback check in production guards. After integrating, dispatch a test action to confirm the extension logs actions and state snapshots. Finish by ensuring you don't expose DevTools in production. Wrap Compose with DevTools usage behind a node env check or use no-op enhancers in production builds. Make sure the Chrome extension is enabled and the correct application tab is selected. If DevTools aren't showing actions, reload the page, confirm the store enhancer is actually applied, and check the console for Compose import or CORS errors. One reliable troubleshooting tip: restart Chrome and your dev server after changing the enhancer to clear stale connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.